But for masters, the first session is already closed. The second session is going on uh, till the 17th of April, and the third wave will also continue from April 18th to 29th of May. But you should not wait for the third wave because most of the programs may not open in third wave. They already mentioned that. Okay, so these are some important deadlines that I want to show.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, आई होप यू आर ऑल डूइंग वेल और उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप जहां भी होंगे अपने और अपने घर वालों के साथ खुश भी होंगे और महफूज भी। गाइस, मैं उमर फारूक हूं और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल ब्रॉड क्रेज। गाइस, in today's video I want to discuss with you guys a very important admission procedure of one of the finest university of France. It is the IP Paris Institute Polytechnique de Paris. So today's video is very interesting, so don't skip this video. If you are interested in applying for masters or PhD, there is I think one course of bachelor as well in this university. So if you are interested in applying this university, don't skip this video. And if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Here you can get a lot of information regarding the admission processes of study in France, study in Italy, and a lot of information about the scholarships as well. So there are a lot of fully funded scholarships that are open right now, and the admission procedures are also active. So don't forget to subscribe this channel for latest updates. So without wasting any time, let's deep into the video. So guys, this is the official website of this university, Institut Polytechnique de Paris. So you can get a lot of information from this website. But firstly, let me show you the ranking of this university. So this is the ranking. If we talk about the QS World Ranking 2025 list, it is 46th rank over all the world. So you can imagine how good this university is. It's ranked second in the France. So you can get admission here. You can get study. You can complete your studies here, and you can build your future. So let me show you some important things regarding the admission process. You will firstly you can convert the language here. It is actually in French, but you can go for English. So here it is now in the English, and you can come in the education portal, and here you need to, if you want to apply for bachelor's, master's, advanced masters, PhD, e-learning, we click on the master. So after clicking on the master, you will come to this website. Here you can get some important information regarding application dates, regarding the application portal. But firstly, let me show you the programs. So these are the applied mathematics, transport and mobility, biological health, chemistry, computer science, design program, economics, electrical engineering, energy system, innovation and energy industry, society program, master in mathematics, mechanics, nuclear energy, physics and sociology. So a lot of students from every field can apply here. So let me tell you about the application portal of this university. So you will click on application portal, and you will directly go to, let me show you. You will directly go to this portal. Okay, so here you need to are you a student of IP Paris? You need to set no. Then you will fill this email address. Then you will keep this as it is. Password, repeat password, first name, last name, gender, and fill out all this information. Click on I agree, and then there is a submit button. Under that, you will click on that, and your portal will be live and created. Okay, so I have already created this portal. I will go to the login section, and I will put yes here. I will put my information here, and I'll click on this button. And here you can see I have already started an application, but you can click on new application, and you can choose your program. I will choose computer science, master 1, master 2. I have already told about master 1 and master 2 concept in France, so you can check this video, a short video that is you can see in the upper right corner. So I will apply on the master 2, and here you can see a lot of programs. I will select foundations, or you can say the somewhat interesting computer science for networks, cybersecurity. Okay, so confirm, go to the next step. Here you can see I have already applied for this program, so let me show you. You can click on the continue section. Okay, so after clicking on continue, you firstly go to the personal information. I have already added all this information: first name, last name, gender, date of birth, nationality, address. So it is very easier to fill. So you need to click on this educational section. Educational, and this you need to fill on the information of your bachelor and you can say FSC. So I have added the bachelor information. So here is an important thing, like you need to convert your GPA on the 20th scale. What how you can do that? You will divide your GPA with the 4 and then multiply with the 20. Okay, so you will get this grade, but you need to put comma instead of decimal. Okay, 17,7, not 17 decimal 7. So then you will similarly you will calculate the average for the first semester, for the second semester, and you will put on that. If you don't, if you're not sure about that what is your GPA, regarding what is your scale on this, so you can put 999 here, this like this. It means that you are not sure about that. So after putting the information for the first one, you can click on the second institution and you can put your information here. So then we click on the next, then we go to the this one, the language section, language skills. So firstly we'll talk about the mother language. So whatever your mother language is, you will select that. Then mother language 2 if you have, then they will ask about your French expertise. So if you are if you don't have any knowledge, so just click on no knowledge. If you're basic user, click on A1, A2, intermediate, C1, C2. So definitely we are new here in France. We don't know about much about this language, so either we are a new learner or either we are zero at this. And then about the English, it depends upon your proficiency, either B2 or C1 or C2 or B1, it depends. So you can click on B2 intermediate or C1 user. It depends upon your expertise. So I'll click on B2, I'll click on next. Then here is this, you need to put the recommendations here. So here is a trick for you guys. Like most of the students, they told me that they are not in touch with their professors. Even if they are, most of the professors don't reply too early, maybe because of their you can say they are busy. There are a lot of stuffs that are happening in the university, so they don't get enough time to reply to those emails. Okay, so what you can do, here is a trick for you. You can make a email in the name of your professor.
I know it's not that authentic, but the issue is most of the teachers they don't reply to the students as soon, and we don't have much time in completing the our application. Guys, here I want to tell something like I forgot to tell you about the admission, you can say deadline. So firstly let me show you the admission deadlines. So these are the admissions, and I'm sorry for that, but the PhD students cannot apply in this program and this university now because their deadline is already over till the 16th of January. But for masters, the first session is already closed. The second session is going on till the 17th of April, and third wave will also continue from April 18th to 29th of May. But you should not wait for the third wave because most of the programs may not open in third wave. They already mentioned that. Okay, so these are some important deadlines that I want to show. So now let's go back to the application portal, and let me show you the application. Okay, so here is the application portal. So what I was telling you that you should create an email in the name of your professor, and you should put this, and here you need to add the gender, the name, the first name, organization, the position, relationship with you, email, and these are the necessary things. Yeah, the email is the most necessary thing. Okay, so you should create the email on your own, and in this way, when you click on the submit option, they will send the email that you have entered here, and in this way you can put the recommendation letter from your referee, but you need to have your reference letter from your professor, maybe in the soft form or something like that. But you don't need to call your professor again and again, or send an email, send an email again and again to your professor and asking that please check your email and fill out my reference letter. So in this is a trick. I know this is not good, but you need to do if you need to fill your application uh, soon. Okay, if you are in touch with the professors, that okay, that's fine, that will be good. But if you're not, you can use this trick. Okay, so this was all about recommendations. Then there is an additional information section where you have listened about this program. You can select any of these, and so these are some other things that you can complete, and then you click on the documentation, and here you need to fill your add your photo, your ID card, your CV, your personal statement, and you need to work heavy on your statement. Okay, so it is very important section of your application, so you need to be focused on your personal statement. Then provide a copy of your diplomas, one combined PDF. You need to join the PDF of your degree transcript, your bachelor's, your high school. So you can make a complete PDF and you can put here. Okay, copy of your transcript here. Then if you already have undertaken standardized IELTS test or TOEFL, or but it's not necessary, you can say there is no hysteric there. So you can, if you have, you can put the IELTS, you can put the TOEFL, but if you don't have, you should at least put the English proficiency instead of that. Okay, you can get it from your university. So after that, you need to click on the declaration, and you need to check these two boxes, and you need to click on next. And here you need to finalize the application, and you need to submit the application. So that's all about the application process of this university. I hope this video will be informative for you. If you find this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe this YouTube channel, and share it with your friends that are in search of admissions, that are willing to move abroad in France, and want to study in the top ranked universities of the world. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet in a next informative video. Ciao, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.